I love the A-BOX bag.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah.
It's
and
nice.
And weather seals it, which is really important here in Florida because we've got heat, rain, like terrible mailbox people that kick our boxes around.
Yes.
So
it's not padded. It's not. Yeah. It's not delivery proof, but it definitely is weatherproof.
Yeah, weather sealed.
Which is important because I had a box sit out one day in the rain. Just this crazy random winter in Florida, as I call it, and it got rained in it. So dark box. Thank gosh. The Funko Pops were okay, but the box was destroyed.
Yeah.
It's alright, it wasn't a theme she liked anyway, so we were okay. But A-BOX always has it. I love it. It's durable and it keeps the box nice. You know, not every month is a killer art box like Kingsman or Alien Covenant, but I like the fact that it's always protected to a point. It gives it that air of mystique. It's all black. You can't see what's inside unless you subscribe. I'm all flipped around in my head. I don't even know what the heck month it is anymore. Go figure. So I guess all I can say is it's some crazy month in 2017. It's time for the A-BOX, and the theme is power.
So, let's get into it. So I am super excited for this month's box. We are looking at Megaman, my favorite thing ever. We got Metal Gear Solid, Star Trek, and Thor Ragnarok.
I say Ragnarok, but it's wrong. I just love saying it now. I still haven't seen that. I want to see that. Star Trek Next Generation was good. I liked it. Picard was awesome. I mean, yeah, there's the old Die Hard, the classics, but the original Star Trek was kind of, I mean, the movies were out when I was a kid, but like the series itself was not on TV.
Yeah, I remember
it was like
the
in
Picard
syndication.
series. Yeah, I grew up on that one too.
But that was good. I always liked him. He was a good captain. I just love the A-BOX.
Yeah.
Doesn't want to go away. Almost took out our aliens. Oh, wait. There's a seal on the bottom of the box. Ooh, very nice. Oh, it's a sticker?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Should I delicately, surgically remove this? Box. Unleash the box.
Okay. So we've got...
I think I know what that is.
Very cool. They always pack their stuff nice.
There's a Death Star in our box. Death Star.
Okay. So...
Blind box.
Yes, we got a blind box.
Big fan.
It's Metal Gear Solid 5, The Phantom Pain. So it's cool. Of course, we got Snake, Miller, Quiet, Ellie, Huey, and DDD.
Is that like Snake Plissken?
What's that?
I mean, I don't know that much about the game. I played the original one way back in the day. I thought it was really cool.
The PlayStation one?
Oh, gosh, yes.
Oh, cool.
It was back when Tomb Raider was on there, and I'd sit in front of my PlayStation for hours.
Yeah, I remember Tomb Raider and all that, but that's cool. I didn't know you played this. It is really big.
I played the original Metal Gear. It was awesome.
I'm just going to open it.
I'm just afraid to play video games nowadays, because it just literally, it'll be 2 weeks later, I'll come out of here like in a bathrobe and unshaven and be like, Dad.
Yeah, that happens to me a lot still. Or I'll disappear for a weekend.
No games.
Yeah.
No binge watching. I lose days.
Oh, nice. We got Snake. Very cool.
So it's Snake.
This is Venom Snake.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not the Kurt Russell Snake.
Well, yeah.
To me it is, but that's because I'm just old and wrong.
It kind of looks like him, right?
Yeah, he does, because he was Snake Plissken was all, he had the patch, and it was, you know, it was cool. It was a good movie.
Cool.
I thought of Kurt Russell the other day when I watched Guardians of the Galaxy 2, and Kurt Russell was there, and the guy he's ageless.
Yeah. He's got a little mini gun, which I cannot open.
Oh, he's got a gun?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And this is from Titan Vinyl Figures. We're a big fan of this line. They have the Alien line, which we have 2 of there.
They're all over the place. They're hiding all over the place in plain sight, as I always like to say.
Yeah.
There's crazy amounts of them. Oh, well, that's cool.
And I think that this series of vinyl figures is good if you're not a big fan of the Funko Pops, and maybe you think that they're a little bit too kiddish or whatever. These are more kind of traditional vinyl figures.
Well, and they have different sizes too.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if that's really the
ones,
mini, but like our Alien, the glow-in-the-dark one up there, that's a bigger one, and then, you know, that's like about the size of the alien. So there's a couple different, I've seen 2 or 3 sizes, I think. So it's cool. There's a Death Star in our box.
Yep.
Death Star. Rogue One. I like the box, the container, no matter what it is. I just think that's super cool. Ooh. It's a watch.
Yeah.
Now, I don't remember. I think I've only seen one watch ever in any subscription box we've ever gotten.
Yeah.
And it was some anime one that you had gotten.
Oh, the Mirror's Edge one.
Right. So Mirror's Edge, there was some digital one, and of course, well, you got the
Cinderella one, which I wear daily.
Cinderella one from Taste of Things to Come.
Yeah.
And this is cool. This is right up my alley,
Yeah,
because I love Star Wars watches. So, it's a Death Trooper?
Yeah.
See, I like that, because I've got a Darth Vader one, I've got the Darth Maul, I've got a different Star Wars watch. And so now, Death Trooper.
Yeah, I like the container. I'm a big container person.
I like it a lot. God, my eyes are getting old. She saw that Death Trooper right away. I just saw Star Wars and went, cool! But yeah, so that is neat. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
Always something different and unique from A-Box. You can always count on that.
And we got this. Oh, this is Thor.
I always love their boxes.
Yeah. So with the necklace.
Oh, and it has an exclusive sticker on it.
Yeah, we have the A-Box.
It's a little holographic.
Yeah. Very cool.
Oh, is that like the hammer or some kind of...
Thor Nordic mythology necklace. Maybe it's his necklace, I guess. We haven't seen the movie yet. Alberta went and saw it without me, but...
See, I didn't even... We both got left out on that one, so it wasn't just me getting like left at home. I just...
But it's cool. It's kind of like the movie prop kind of thing, you know?
Yeah. Nice design on it, and it's got some decent weight.
Yeah.
So we go to the box inside the box.
Box inside of a box.
We love the box inside of the box.
Oh, okay.
Star Trek Next Generation.
Ooh, this feels like a pin set. Jewelry or something. Ooh, oh, these are cool. That's cool.
Oh, those are the...
They're coasters.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, they're coasters, but it's cool. It's like,
And they're like circuit boards in Star Trek Next Generation. Anytime they would open something up, there was like big circuit boards that would get put in vertically like this. And they've got little rubber feet.
Yeah.
I've never seen a coaster like this.
Yeah,
oh, that's neat.
It has a lot of like dimension to it because it's like 2-layer.
We've gotten a ton of coasters. We have. And I'm not always a big fan of coasters because it's half the time they're made of the cardboard and you're not going to use them because as soon as the glass sweats, it ruins the coaster. So these are functional, which you could use them, and they're neat at the same time. So any Trekkie is going to love these things.
It glows. It's like,
yeah, that's neat.
Yeah.
For the Trekkie in your family, I've never seen that kind of a coaster. That's cool.
Yeah.
Because they're always ones that are just going to go. Thor. See, they wanted to make sure I understood that it was Ragnarok because they put it on big print right here. Never mind. No, go ahead. You go ahead. No, that's your. Is that your?
Yes.
Is that the?
This is really cool. It's okay. So it's Megaman, and it's the little muscle things where they're like stretchy. Millions of unusual small creatures lurking everywhere. Flexible, durable, and unstoppable.
Yes.
Their muscle. Then it has Megaman. Megaman, here, my team and I will defeat you and your evil robots. So, like, there's a whole series of this. They've got Masters of the Universe, Street Fighter, Robotech, Super Shogun. So this is kind of like a new series, it looks like. But it's cool. I love Mega Man, so... Well, because, okay, my car is Mega Man themed. Like, everything is Mega Man themed because it's blue, like this blue of Mega Man. So all my, like,
I'm waiting for it to come home and have, like, a custom fabricated gigantic helmet, like, in like, on top of the car.
Yeah.
Could happen.
Cool. Very cool.
I think I know what this is.
It looks like a knapsack or something like that.
It reminds me of the Alien Covenant bag that we got, which was like the bag that's like a backpack. It's like a nice portable vinyl backpack.
I love this blue.
So it's compact. folds in on itself. It's great for travel where you want to have something and then be able to get someplace and be able to carry some light stuff with you. Open it up, throw your backpack on. And then I think that actually becomes like an inner pocket or something.
Yeah.
I could be wrong. It may completely separate, but I don't think it does. I think it's like all...
Oh, this is cool.
And now that becomes a nice little safety bag inside.
Very nice. It's cool. It's kind of
Great
like
for a convention.
Yeah, it's like a sky, galaxy kind of print or something. It's cool though. I love this kind of blue. This is my favorite color.
Good color. Practical for convention people or people with light travel stuff. It's neat.
Yeah, and it is this material of the alien where it's like very reflective.
Mm-hmm. Waterproof.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice backpack. This is good for keeping in your car. I prefer these over like the drawstring bags because those usually like get ripped really easy. This is like a regular, backpack.
I think that's more practical than a messenger bag, but that could just be an age thing.
Yeah.
And of course we have the card, as always. Thank you for your order. We hope you enjoy your Power A-Box. So it does change each month, which is neat. Yeah. Help us spread the word about the October A-Box. Tag us in your unboxing videos by November 20th. Hashtag A-Box, hashtag Power, hashtag PowerBox. Email us your shipping address to info@a-box.com and we'll send you a special gift.
Very cool.
So that's cool.
Yeah.
So you do a little bit of advertising, which is a piece of cake nowadays with social media. Hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. Send your address to their email address and they're going to send you a special gift just for helping promote them. I mean, that's great. So it's not even like, hey, you have to subscribe. Help them out with a little bit of advertising and you're going to get a free gift. Nobody does that.
Nope.
Half the people don't even say thank you. And outstanding A-Box, thank you for that. We're committed to be the best subscription box service by delivering authentic and quality products month after month. If you have any suggestions on how we can serve you better, please email. And that's nothing. No subscription company out there says, listen, we want to be the best. Help us be the best. Send us suggestions because most of them don't even care. They won't acknowledge you. They don't do nothing. So it's nice. Hey, so if you like it, let them know. If maybe something in here isn't your cup of tea, leave a suggestion. They want to be the best of the best. And that's tough. There's a lot of people out there that like a lot of different things. So I just like that it's always unique stuff.
Yeah.
And of course, we've got the exclusive.
Backpack.
And it looks like Snake was exclusive to A-Box. So that's cool. So if you're a vinyl collector, you're going to have to get that Snake out of the A-Box. And the Nordic... See, yeah. Nordic mythology. The coasters are really cool. I gotta tell you. I mean, a bunch of our coasters we got sitting in a little bin that someday will go up on the infamous eBay store. Those won't, because I like them. It's just cool.
Yeah.
And yes, your muscle boys, your Megaman muscle boys, they're an A-Box exclusive as well.
And it looks like there's various assortments. So everybody got a different one. So that's cool.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah, I like that when everybody gets a different one.
Very cool. So next month, which will be November.
Oh, yep, and then the watch.
Yeah.
Also includes the bonus surprise, so it's the watch.
See, old man didn't even catch it. I mean, I was so cool about the watch, didn't even notice. It's not even on the card. It's like the special bonus. That's neat. So not only is it one of 3 we've ever seen in a subscription box, but it was a bonus just for being a subscriber. So that's cool. I like that a lot. That's really neat. I'll be wearing that, be in my arsenal of Star Wars watches, because that's all I have is Star Wars watches. That's right, they are. Star Wars watches. Proud to be a geek. Justice Box coming up next month. Super excited. Could be Justice League. Don't know. They've been spoon-feeding us the franchises that are in it. We know it's Punisher. We know RoboCop is in there. Captain America.
Wonder Woman, yeah.
And I'm thinking Wonder Woman's going to be in there. Yeah. It's got to be in there. You got to put Wonder Woman in there. It's got to be. Because she's from Justice League.
Yeah.
I'm certain it's going to be that. So, outstanding. Make sure you go online, subscribe, link below to abox.com and check out their social media pages. They always have some kind of crazy giveaway going on every month, all the time, that has nothing to do with actually being part of the A-Box. Like they said, just there with helping advertise. You're going to get a gift for free, and they've always got a good giveaway. So on that note, we want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch. Please like, subscribe,
comment below,
and share with your friends.
Until next time, stay weird. Bye.